Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see this demo exploring your e-commerce data set with SQL in BigQuery. So we are going to open a Google console. So I'm going to copy the username. So it's coming now. Just click next. This is a free lab only. Now we need to enter the password. Just copy the password and enter the password and click next. And we need to accept this terms and conditions. We need to accept it, and you can see friends, I'm clicking it here, and we need to accept this terms of services also. Just agree this one. It is coming next. Okay, so next we are going to do this demo. In this demo we are going to access an e-commerce data set, look at the data set metadata and remove duplicate entries, and write and execute queries. We are going to do this demo. Now first pin the lab project in BigQuery. Click the navigation menu and click BigQuery. So go to the navigation menu. So this is the navigation. I have clicked it. So you can see the products here, services you can see. Now under the big data, BigQuery it will come. So under the big data, we need to click the pin button, pin option. We need to select it, and next click done. Yeah. So close the browser window. So we are going to do this, do that only. Just we are going to try these things. Just I have clicked the refresh button. I have closed it and I'm refreshing this page, this home page, this dashboard. I'm refreshing this, and next we need to open it again. That BigQuery, just click it BigQuery again. Now explore the e-commerce data and identify the duplicate records. Now I'm going to do these things. Let's try, friends. I think it's not working for me. You can try from your end, friends, but I think there is no option here. If you are seeing the view, the pinned project, it's coming for me. It's Qwiklabs project only. The data to insert, it's not reflecting for me. So I'm unable to do these things, explore e-commerce data and identify these things. You can see here viewing pinned project, it's showing Qwiklabs GCP 04 BD3 FB90. Node contents are loading. Okay, so it is coming like it is loading, something like that. So I'm referring this page. I'm referring the documentation in the left pan in the explorer section over the close the browser window. So I have done it correctly only, but it's not coming. I'm closing the unwanted page. Just I'm closing unwanted window. I have closed it. Okay, so now I'm checking it here. I'm unable to get anything. Click the expand node icon here, and click details tab to view table metadata. So I think I'm unable to do these things. Okay, let's try. I mean, next we'll go that schema and how many rows are in the data set over 2.21 million. How many records have duplicate in the all session raw. So I am copying these SQL queries and pasting it here. So select count, I'm putting run, and I'm going to expecting the results, query results. So you can see the results right now. So select count star as new duplicate rows. So it is loading right now. Let's wait for it. So how many records have duplicate in all sessions raw. So I'm going to do that. So now we can see, friends, output came now. Row, no duplicate rows, time, country, city, and the total transaction revenue. We can refer this query results. So you can see 615. The row page is 615. So total 615. Just click submit. Now I am checking my progress. Identify duplicate rows. We have done it. Completed. Next I'm going to copy this query, and I'm going to replace with this query. Let's we are going to run this query, friends. Now we are going to see the results now. So you can see the results now. Just under the, we are going to see this. The query returns zero records. The result is the query returns zero records only. We are getting the same output here also. So we have done that on write basic SQL on e-commerce data. Now we are going to do these things. Click plus compose new query. So we are going to click the plus symbol, compose new query. I am clicking here, and select count product views. We are going to update these SQL queries. So from the data insights e-commerce all sessions. Now I have run the query. Click run to see the results. Now you can see row and product views and a unique visitor. So same only we are getting the output, correct output. And I'm going to copy one more SQL queries. I'm replacing with this SQL queries. So I'm pasting the SQL query. So then I'm going to run it again. So we are going to see the results now. So let's wait for it. So it will take less than 1 minute only, friends, not more than that. So you can see that unique visitors and change grouping, social, referral, paid search, organic search display. So we can see these things. And next we are going to do this step. We are going to run one more query. So then I'm replacing with that query, and now just click run, and we can see the results now. So the which part of the previous query deduplicates the record? So the answer is group by. Okay, so group by only the answer. So you can see the results now. So now I think group by only. Okay, fine. So click submit, and next we have seen the results. Then query returns the total 633 product rows. Okay, now how many distincts? 633 only, because you can see total is 633 it is coming. Okay, now we have selected the 633. Then we are going to move next thing, and we are copying the SQL queries and replacing with this SQL query now, and enter the query, and I'm going to click run now. Then we are going to see the results. So the row, it could be 1 to 5, the product name, and it will come. So the results it's coming like that only, YouTube custom something like that. Okay, so now next SQL we are copying, and I'm going to replace with this. Just delete it and enter that one, and I'm going to run this query. So I'm going to run this query. Limit 5 only I have given, so 5 only it will come. Rows is 5 only it will come, friends, results. So you can see the results right now. So you can see now product view count, product name, it is showing. So it's coming the same output as per the documentation. I'm going to replace with one more query. So now we are going to update this query and click run, and now we can see the results. So it is coming product views, orders, quantity, product order. So 1 to 5 it is coming. So the product with the most views got the most orders, true. And what is the difference between orders and quantity, product order? So order is the number of the orders, the first option is the correct one. Okay, then expand the query. Now we are going to one more query we are going to replace with this query, and select count star product views, running the query. So the output, it will be 1 to 5 row only. Limit 5 we have given, so 5 only it will come, friends. Now UT bottle infuser, which product has the highest average per order? UT bottle infuser. So write a basic SQL on e-commerce, we have done it. So we have done this demo. In this demo, exploring the data to insights e-commerce dataset, we used BigQuery to view and query the data to gain meaningful insight on various aspects of product marketing. Thank you so much, friends. Have a great day. If you have not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe my channel, so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the GCP demo. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.